गावागावातल्या भुरग्यांक नोकरेची संद मेळची म्हणून जीसीसीआयन MSME आणि NIPMांक बरोबर घेऊन रोजगार मेळावो दवरला। 12 आणि 13 जानेराक तशेंच 19 आणि 20 उत्तर गोयच्या भुरग्यां खातीर सांखळे रवींद्र भवनात जाल्यार दक्षिण गोयच्या भुरग्यां खातीर फातोड्ड्या रवींद्र भवनात रोजगार मेळावो जातलो।
पहिल्या सत्रात 12 जानेराक रोजगार मेळाव्यात इंटरव्यूची तयारी कशी करप, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल आणि बाकीच्यो गजाली शिकयतले। 13 जानेराक इंटरव्यू जातले। 19 आणि 20 जानेराक रोजगार मेळाव्याचे दुसरे सत्र जातले।
There is always a mismatch between the job seeker and the job giver. Most of the time it so happens that even with press release or press ads or whatever, the right candidates are not available. That is the complaint of the industry. Whereas the job seeker does not know which companies to approach, where to find job opportunities, and we find that a lot of unemployed youth are finding their way outside the state for the opportunities. So in order to make these opportunities available to the students, to the unemployed youth, and to those seeking jobs in Goa, and especially for the sons of soil or daughters of the soil, as we can say, we have formed this platform wherein we would initiate the process of bringing together the job giver as well as the job seeker. The first initiative would start from this Saturday, Friday and Saturday. We will be having 2 days program and we will be having programs for both North Goa as well as South Goa. And both places it will be Ravindra Bhavan Fatorda for South Goa and Ravindra Bhavan Sankeli for North Goa. We are also trying to take in the advantage to the doorstep of the rural people, because there are a lot of students, lot of unemployed youth in the rural segment who are qualified technically, who are skilled, and who are desiring of gainful opportunity for employment.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे।
बरो डिफेन्स आशिल्ल्या जमशेदपूर FC आड घरच्या मैदानाचेर खेळटना FC गोवाचेर कसलोच दबाव आसचोना। जैतान कमबॅक करूंक प्लेयर उमेदीन रावल्यात म्हूण कोच सर्जिओ उलयला। FC गोवाची जमशेदपूर FC आड ब्रेस्तारा 11 जानेराक राती 8 फातोड्ड्या मॅच जातली। पेजात अटॅक करपी FC गोवा आड खेळप हे मोठे आव्हान। बरे टीमी आड स्वताक सिद्ध करपाची ही संद म्हूण जमशेदपूर FCचो कोच स्टीव कॉपेल म्हणटा।
Tenemos ilusión, presión ninguna.
Sí. Pressure we don't have any of, excitement we do have lots of.
Yo creo que somos un equipo que tenemos muchas ganas de conseguir éxitos.
We're a team that has a lot of excitement about trying to get results.
Venimos de una temporada muy difícil, que es la temporada anterior, donde el equipo quedó último.
And we're coming from a season last year where we finished last, which was a very difficult season for everyone.
Creo que hemos recuperado la ilusión de mucha gente con el fútbol y los resultados que hemos conseguido en el inicio de esta temporada.
I think we've recovered the confidence and faith of the supporters with the style of football and the results that we've got so far.
Para mí como entrenador tenemos que conseguir estar entre los 4 primeros.
For me as a coach, we need to be in the top 4.
Pero siempre desde la ilusión, nunca desde la presión.
But always from a point of view of excitement and not that of pressure.
Creo que otros equipos tienen más presión que nosotros por estar entre los 4 primeros.
I think there's other teams who have more pressure than us to be in the top 4.
Y nosotros, vuelvo a repetir, si llegamos a conseguir estar entre los 4 primeros será por ilusión y no por presión.
And I'm going to repeat, if we make it to the top 4, it will be out of pure excitement within the team rather than pressure.
Sounds like it's going to be a good contest, test of maybe our defence against what I would say so far in the first 8-9 games of this season has been the most fluid attacking unit. They score goals freely as they've shown against a number of sides, but it's our challenge to try and stifle that threat and obviously do our best to hurt them as well. We certainly haven't come here just to defend and try and keep the opposition out. We want to play a full part in this game, and that obviously means not only doing our jobs defensively but also trying to expose any weaknesses they might have at the back. So and I hope it's a good game for everyone who comes to watch. That's what we're here for. We want to play the best. We want to try and prove ourselves against the best and pick up points against the best.
प्लॅनिंग देवाचे कोंकणी फिल्माचो मडगांव रवींद्र भवनान प्रीमियर जालो. फिल्माक लोकांनी बरो प्रतिसाद दिलो. लोकांनी पिक्चर मुद्दम पळोवचें म्हूण फिल्माच्या कलाकारांनी उलो मारला.
Very good. Story bari आमचं. Story is very nice. Acting बरं केला. Acting very good and shooting was very good.
Sorry?
How you like the movie?
I liked it. It's a very good movie. But something different. Konkani movies generally we look for different type of entertainment and laughter. But this was more on a serious side. But the acting of the major actors was excellent.
So this might really rock, and now we can challenge for any Bollywood movie. Proudly I can say.
सर हे मागेले 4th मूवी. ऑलरेडी हांवें 3 मूवी डायरेक्ट केला. कोंकणींत पाद्री फर्स्ट मूवी आणि कन्नडान 2 मूवी डायरेक्ट केला. हे 4th मूवी.
I'm a Mangalorean, but Konkani is a little different. Please bear with me. So Mogani Besa Sadan Sasundi, it's like 2 years we have struggled, and today it's the best output from every one of us, and we are proud ourselves. Thank you so much for joining us.
आमच्या प्लॅनिंग देवाच्या पिक्चराचो प्रिमियर आणि प्रिमियराक गर्दी पळोवन म्हाका फर्स्ट टायम दिसलें की आमी जी 2 वर्सां गेली 2 वर्सां पिक्चर करपाक त्रास काडले, इंजुरीज जाल्यो, फायट सीन करता स्टंट्स करता आसतना ते सगळे भरून आयले.
Okay, this is my second film in Konkani industry, and I'm happy to be back in Goa and be a part of the Planning Devache.
Please do come and watch Planning Devache because it's for all of us, because we all have a plan in our lives, but sometimes things don't go good, sometimes things go bad, but we have to go and watch it and do what's right.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.